I'm holding in my hands a very rare bird. This is the first I might add, double neck Castedosa ever made. One of the few and rare double neck boutique guitars out there in the universe. But let me rephrase it one more time. The first, number one, no one else had number one. This was it. It made it to our friend, call him Big A, out in Texas. But this guitar is already sold. We just thought it was so cool. We asked, can we get it back so we can play a video of it? Because there's been no demo on it. It needs to be seen by the world. Now this is built by Carlos Lopez at Castedosa Gutiars and his loving family. He makes his children do all the frets. I'm kidding. But this is a double neck baritone tuned to C, 12 string, standard baritone here. There's nothing standard about this puppy though, because it took me a little bit of a science degree and I had to go back to high school to figure out how to operate everything for a moment. And I kept it fairly simple for the playing, but it has a fuzz circuit included as well, right? That's these little magical things with your volumes and your octave up. Sounds fantastic. I will say, when we were working on this guitar years ago, and the impetus of this, it's sort of gone through multiple incarnations of what it was to become, and there's a few out there now. It's so much better than I thought it was going to be. I knew it was going to be cool, but it's actually playable. It's extremely musical, and it makes you want to play something different and unique that you've never tried before. The neck fits really well, and we've compared this with like double neck SGs and whatnot. It's super comfortable for some weird reason. I'm sitting down on a bench playing it. I don't quite understand how it hasn't wanted to be thrown off my lap like I do with most double necks after I play it for a few minutes. You've got all of your hand wound by Mrs. Lopez pickups in this little thing. Stephanie did all that. It's a beautiful color. I love what he does with the contours of it. It's not outrageously heavy. It's not light, but it's not as heavy as you would think it would be. I picked it up and I was like, wow, I'm gonna sit it on my lap. You can actually play it. It's gorgeous. Battery pack, controls right here. I mean, it's a stunning piece of not just guitar, but piece of art. And again, it's really, really fun. And I feel like that's part of this whole game we're in here. So hats off to the team at Castedosa. Hats off to the crazy enough people that have saved their dimes and want to play something weird that expands the tonal library and lexicon of what we do in the guitar universe. So much fun. Thanks for watching. Thanks for clicking like and subscribe and all that stuff you do, and staying tuned to Casino Guitars. But enjoy these cool little weird guitars that we get to get our hands on every so often. Thanks, Carlos. Peace be with you guys out there. Enjoy and rock on. That kind of fits it, right? That's all we need?
Yeah.
Cool.